Today I'm going to do a review and unboxing of the Amex Green Card. If you want to know if an American Express charge card is right for you, stick around. I'm not only going to talk about the American Express Green Card, but I'm going to be talking about charge cards in general and charge cards from American Express. First thing before we really get started with this video is not everyone knows the difference between a credit card and a charge card. Basically, it's quite simple. A credit card, you're allowed to make purchases and you don't need to pay the full balance each month. You can pay whatever the minimum balance due is. As long as you pay that, your account is in good standing. The difference with a charge card is that you are required to pay the full balance each and every month. But now American Express is doing something a little bit different. They're allowing cardholders to split up their payments, but you do have to sign up for that. And as long as you sign up for that feature on your card, you can carry balances over.
So without further delay, let's get into the unboxing of the Amex Green Card. One day, I received this letter in the mail. In the letter, it describes all the benefits and features of the Amex Green Card. In order to accept this invitation offer, you need to visit the website address they provide in the letter and enter in the 14-character RSVP code. In about one short week, I received my American Express charge card in the mail. They send you a lot of terms and conditions. Don't believe me? Here are more terms and conditions. This is what the Amex Green charge card looks like front to back. As you can see, it's that iconic classic design of the American Express logo.
A lot of people advise against getting the Amex Green Card because they say this charge card does not offer a lot of reward benefits. But that's not entirely true. If you use this charge card properly, you can earn extra rewards outside their 1 point per dollar reward structure. Amex offers special opportunities for their customers to earn rewards. And the easiest way to find these offers is to download the mobile app. And when you do that, you can log into your account, and right on the bottom, it's hard to see here, but if you have an account, on the bottom right, the second one in, there's a little tab, a little button that says offers. You just click on that, and then that'll bring up all the offers that they have available nationwide and the offers they have available in the area you live in. It is very important to read the terms and conditions of these offers very carefully. Each company will set the terms and conditions of how you can redeem these offers and get either extra bonus points, or you can get a dollar amount credited to your account. But you have to follow the terms and conditions very carefully. One example would be a large brick and mortar store. Now, if they said that you needed to make a certain payment amount and you go into the store and you make the purchases, say $200 to get a $30 statement credit, and you do that and you wait and nothing happens, and you call and you find out that they were online purchases, then you will not get the bonus because in the terms and conditions they said it's for online purchases. So be careful that that doesn't happen to you. If you want to buy something, a nice way to go around this is if there's something that you like, you can go online and see if there's a store pickup option. As long as you make the purchase online, it counts as an online purchase towards your discount offer. And then you can make that purchase and then go to the store and pick up the item.
I signed up for Shoprunner a few months ago, And that process was a little confusing, but if you stick with it, you'll be able to figure it out and be signed up for 2-day shipping on Amex purchases. At the timing of this video, these are the stores that participate in the Shoprunner 2-day shipping program. I haven't ordered anything from Shoprunner yet, but from everything I can see from my end, they do not charge extra for this service if you're an American Express card holder.
One thing you need to know that makes the Amex Green Card different than the Amex Gold Card or the Amex Platinum Card is that if you plan to travel to other countries, the Amex Green Card does charge foreign transaction fees. To save yourself from foreign transaction fees, look at your other credit cards and see which ones don't have it, and use that credit card when you're traveling outside the United States. Okay, so the sign-up bonus for me for the Amex Green Card, as you saw from the beginning of this video, was $150. I really liked how it all worked out for me because it was very, very, very easy. They wanted me to spend $1,000 in 3 months. So what I did was I just made everyday purchases. The nice thing is after I hit the $1,000 mark, my account was immediately credited. And that worked out great for me because I am going to Las Vegas and I purchased my tickets to Las Vegas with this charge card. Since I brought up Las Vegas, I am going to do a video explaining how to use your credit cards most effectively to save the most money on your trip to Las Vegas. So if you're interested in seeing my video on Las Vegas or any of my other future videos, please hit that subscribe button. One of the reasons I got the Amex Green Card is that I wanted to start a relationship with American Express, and my credit at this point is good but not very good, and to get a higher tier offer could be more difficult for me. It just all depends. So to play it safe, when I got that invitation offer, I did accept it because now I have an account established with American Express and I am using it so they can see my payment history, and then later I can be offered upgrades. Of course you're going to know I'm going to recommend the Amex Green Card. After all, I have this charge card. But if you're not sure if the Amex Green Card is right for you, visit CreditFast.com and compare all the credit cards on our site to find the right card for you.
Follow us on social media or like, subscribe, or comment